Are you an e-commerce seller? Struggling to keep up with orders? We're here to help. We store thousands of items. We can pick hundreds of orders a day. With our efficient picking system, we can pick and pack anything. Fashion, beauty and cosmetics, toys, ambient food and drink, homeware, and even pallets. Want us to pack an order a certain way? No problem. We offer a bespoke packaging service. With rising living and energy costs, using a 3PL can save you time and money, so you can focus on growing your sales and business. When you sign up, we'll assign you an account manager. Our trusted couriers ensure your orders are delivered worldwide. Sound good? Contact us at info@rapidpack.co.uk.